what you do first in the morning. It's Friday kasi wala pala silang pasok. They're going, pupunta sila sa kanilang field trip, overnight field trip.
How is it wrong?
Sa UP, kaya wala silang pasok. Mamayang alas 6. Ang call time nila alas 6. So, bago mag-6, dapat nandun na kami sa UP.
No, we have to be there by 5:30.
5:30?
Our teacher said.
Okay. So
Exactly 5:30.
5:30 daw. So, for sure, puyat to kasi hanggang 12 yung activity nila sa school.
At 12 midnight, we're going to sleep.
Yeah, hanggang 12 midnight yung activity nila.
How is it
And,
wrong?
matutulog sila doon. May mga tent daw doon. Overnight sila. Matutulog sila sa tent. So, for sure nito, pagod yan. Baka hindi sila makatulog or baka magkwentuhan lang sila ng mga classmate niya. So, Sabado, puyat, matutulog to. Meron siya actually, meron siyang, what's your activity on Saturday? Jiu-Jitsu. Yung mga 11 to 12. Pero, not sure kung makatan siya or hindi. Kaya, gagawa na muna siya ng homework. Kasi wala naman silang pasok today. Friday morning.
Friday morning, I have to do math.
She needs to review. And she has homework. Kasi may assessment sila sa Monday. Kaya pinapagawa ko na ngayon.
105.
Kaysa mag-TikTok lang siya.
Divided.
And ewan ko rin kung ano nakain niya, bakit sa floor niya ginagawa.
Times the original price.
So, I'm going to pack now my stuff.
Oh, I think I know how to do it.
Kasi I think nag-ready na siya ng kanyang stuff last night.
1, 2, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Hello.
Baba na kami.
So much noise upstairs.
Because they're making...
Build, build, build.
It's smelling. So, paalis na kami.
This is not mine, but this is mine.
So, yeah. Bababa na kami kasi dadaanan kami ng friend ko. Para sabay na lang kami pupunta doon.
She's gonna stay in a hotel.
What?
You're gonna stay in a hotel, and I'm gonna stay in a tent. Such a big difference. I have my overnight field trip, and you have your sleepover.
Yes, nag-check-in din kami sa hotel na nandun sa UP. Hotel University. Para mas malapit kami, just in case kailangan nila kami. Hi! Hello, YouTube!
Emma, since there's no space for remote, let's go to the next chair.
This is University Hotel. Charot. O, meron silang safe. Ay. Uy, may pakape pa sila. May pakape sila. May fridge. Small fridge. Are you okay?
Sure, I need the password.
Ito yung mga mga bebe loves. Ito yung madam.
Matangkad siya.
Yung nagbayad lahat ng bills namin dito. Yung 3 room.
Ay, talaga lang ah.
Libre kami.
Kaya may maniwala dyan.
Libre kaming 3. Malinis naman. Oh, mayroon din silang mga toiletries.
Come on, Char, I connect you.
Ay! Meron din silang TV.
We watch.
Emma, you want to connect?
No, I'm not gonna use.
Your cellphone?
Saka natitrain sila. Kaysa naman pa baby.
We kidnapped your fun.
Are supposed to get your things, your own things, and we will be placing them there on the
and she got a kite as a gift. And then it was windy outside, so she wanted to try it out. And when she was trying the kite, it like away. So then she got like really sad and depressed. So when she was walking back, she tripped and stabbed her eye. Then, oh God, he grenaded her eye, and then it went this way.
Comedy naman.
Okay, so it's basically...
Paano pa? Talagang may bedsheet talaga. May comforter pa.
May mattress topper pa yan.
Kay init ko, nagpakahirap ko. Ano ka na, Bubukati dati.
Yung madam. Thank you. Mami Jel.
Shiny.
We're gonna check it first again. I don't feel well in the middle. I will throw up. Me too. I cannot.
So after ng first activity nila, mayroon silang break time na 8 to 9 for their dinner. So nag-stay muna kami dito after nilang mag-dinner. Saka na lang kami bumalik sa hotel para mag-dinner na rin kami. So, eto nga yung mga in-order namin for our dinner. Buti na lang hindi pa nag-close yung restaurant. Kaya nakahabol pa kami. The following morning, around 6 o'clock in the morning, sinundo na namin sila sa NISMED building kasi 6 a.m. yung pick up ng mga kids. So, after namin silang ma-pick up, diretso na kami sa breakfast buffet around 6:30. Kaya nag-breakfast naman na kami kaagad para diretso check out na rin kami kasi diretso uwi na rin para makapagpahinga sa bahay yung mga bata kasi may mga kanya-kanya pa silang mga activities. This is our madam. This is the second madam. These are the 3 angels. And ito naman yung nag-honeymoon dito kagabi. Nag-attend pa rin si Emma ng kanyang jiu-jitsu class around 11 to 12 noon. Kaya super pagod that day pero super worth it naman kasi nag-enjoy sila ng bongga sa kanilang field trip. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you sa next video.